Hello everyone, this is Jovan A. Castilla and Cliff Mario A. Joka.
Now, hold up. You don't forget about me. I'm Nikita III Tip Kuden and I accidentally didn't put myself in the intro. And also potassium. So yeah. Continue.
Today we're gonna conduct experiments and explanation about sodium.
Yeah! Potassium is an active alkali metal which is in Group 1 table of chemical elements. Pure elemental potassium was obtained in the early 19th century by an English scientist. Because of its high activity, potassium is stored in mineral oil. On the appearance, potassium has a metallic plaster which is a lightly bluish tint. It's a very soft metal about the same consistency of butter. A fresh slice of potassium has been instantly oxidized and caught in peroxines and carbonates. Potassium is more reactive than sodium, so as small pieces of sodium reacts with water more or less calmly. Even small pieces of potassium immediately ignites and explodes spontaneously. The reaction of water and potassium produce alkali and hydrogen, alternate and produce lilac flames due to potassium ions. In slow motion, you can see how fast hydrogen ignites by potassium sparks. Now you can find potassium in any food source. For an example, is malunggay. It is referred as a miracle vegetable by health experts because of its nutritional and medicinal benefits. And it's rich in protein, iron, amino acids, vitamins A, B, and C, and has like 4 times the potassium. It can also treat malnutrition and a number of illnesses including bacterial and fungal skin infections and also diarrhea. So eat your vegetables, kids. Now I'm going to show you a few examples on what foods are rich in potassium. For example, guava, mango, avocado, buko, fish, egg. This is tamarind, full of potassium. And especially also you can find potassium in manure is an excellent fertilizer which is produced by cows, goats, or other animals, containing nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and other nutrients. Nitrogen gets top billing because it's responsible for keeping plants green, and it helps aid in plant growth and also helps photosynthesis. Phosphorus helps the nutrient to move around the plant. It also aids in strong root growth and strengthen those roots. Potassium helps ward off tough conditions such as if there's too much heat or too much cold, even drought. It also helps ward off pests. It can help water efficiency and can activate the enzymes within the plant. That's been covered. Now we can move on to fireworks. So today is New Year 2016 and I'm gonna show you a few videos of fireworks. So yeah, Happy New Year! Colors in fireworks usually generated by pyrotechnic stars, which are just called stars, and when ignited, they produce intense light. Stars contain 5 basic types of ingredients, and they are fuel, which allows the star to burn, an oxidizer, which produces oxygen to support the combustion of the fuel, color producing chemicals, a binder which holds the pellet together, and a chlorine donor which provides chlorine to strengthen the color of the flame, and sometimes the oxidizer can serve this purpose. Colors in fireworks are metal compounds. For example, aluminum. It is used to produce a silvery and white flame. It is a common component of sparklers. Magnesium burns a very bright white, so it is used to add white sparks to improve the overall brilliance of a firework. Lithium is used to impart red colors, and barium creates green, antimony. What's that noise? Well, that's a way to celebrate the new year. Anyway, antimony creates a glitter effect to fireworks, and titanium powder or flakes can produce silvery sparks. Now the question is, why do fireworks go boom? Now to start off, we need a special black powder, and that powder is black powder. Invented in 9th century of China, this mixture of potassium nitrate, charcoal, and sulfur basically makes fireworks and other explosives go boom. Lighting the fuse of the fireworks ignites the powder, causing the potassium nitrate to let off oxygen, and other ingredients burn rapidly, producing hot gases which launch the projectile into the sky.
Now we're gonna tell you about the physical properties of sodium.
Sodium is an alkaline metal and has an atomic number of 11.
It was first isolated in the late 1800s and was discovered by Sir Humphrey Davy.
Sodium is stored in mineral oil so that the air can oxidize it. Sodium is a very soft metal, can be easily cut with a knife. The hardness of sodium is almost identical to an eraser. Freshly cut sodium is a silvery white. It oxidizes rapidly in air due to peroxines and carbonates. As the reaction of sodium and water, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen are formed. In the video, which is not ours, 2 pounds of sodium is thrown in a huge pond.
Sodium chloride, also known as salt, is an ionic compound with the symbol of NaCl. Sodium chloride is responsible for the salinity of seawater and of the extracellular fluid of many multicellular organisms. Table salt is commonly used as a condiment and food preservative.
In every food source there is a sodium. Also dried fish and suka or vinegar.
Chokoy.
As we can see, sodium is also used in soft drinks and other products.
Bayot makaban.
Igat pa mo shit.
Yay! 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 Ah! Yay. Yogag mayo. Butang mo yung freezer good. Nakul.
My God!
Yay! Yay!
Good job.
Sodium. Okay, I guess that sums up the video, and I guess our work here is done. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
Put your hands up high, put 'em up now. Put your hands up high, put 'em up now. Put your hands up high, put 'em up now. Put your hands up high, put 'em up now. Put your hands up high, put 'em up now.
Fossil football.
Potassium is